My experience with Psychoflakes has been very interesting and very smooth. I've already completed 3 internships with them, yet I learned something new and something fascinating in every class.
Hello, my name is SHRUTI SUVARNA and this is my first ever beautiful experience with the team Psychoflakes. I had opted for 2 courses, which was Child Development Psychology and Expressive Art Therapy, guided by Tanushree ma'am and Vandana ma'am respectively.
Hi guys, my name is Harsha and I completed my clinical psychology internship with Psychoflakes.
Hi, my name is SINGH and my experience with Psychoflakes and my mentor Tanushree was just beautiful.
Hi, I'm ANUSHKA NAIR and I have attended the Organizational Psychology Internship.
Hello everyone, I'm Anjali Dadani. I recently did the Counselling Psychology Internship and Training with Psychoflakes.
Hi, this is Gauri. I recently did an internship with Psychoflakes. It was about child psychology.
Undoubtedly, it was a highlight of my summer break.
Before Psychoflakes, I was just curious about psychology, but now I'm very passionate.
So I learned a lot, and as a budding psychologist, I'm very excited to implement these concepts to my own practice.
We had role plays for marital counselling, stress counselling, and learned about group counselling, grief counselling, and various art therapy exercises. Our assignments were interesting, thoroughly evaluated, and I really liked how we were always given feedback and suggestions to improve.
I cannot thank my friend enough for recommending Psychoflakes, because without which I wouldn't have been able to experience such amazing things.
I loved the variety of topics discussed, pedagogy, my fellow interns, and most of all my facilitator. She is organized, ethical, transparent, and very effective while communicating with us interns.
During this course, our mentor provided us with thorough knowledge of each topic covered, cleared all our doubts even if it's out of course, discussed case studies, and gave her own personal experience with patients as well.
What I feel is Psychoflakes is really professional in everything they do, and I really enjoyed my internship.
And I am so glad to have a great head start, a great beginning. I mean, my career has started with such an amazing step that I am boosted up for further upcoming events and situations in my life.
This altogether gave me a good exposure, and I would love to do other internship by Psychoflakes in future.
At the end, we even performed role plays to get a gist of it, where we all participated together and gave our own suggestions on where to improve it further. The best part about it, limited strengths of students, which indeed makes the session more interactive and focused.
Thank you so much, Tanushree ma'am, for making this internship so interesting and informative by doing role plays and activities.
Of course, I learned hundreds of things, and I'm really grateful to Psychoflakes and my mentor.
Not a lecturer or a professor with a bunch of students. It is a group of people who unites on Google Meets on 12 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. with a bright smile and a great hope.
Thank you.
I would like to thank my facilitator Vandana for her guidance and would totally recommend this internship and training with Psychoflakes, as it gave me a confidence boost and was a truly enriching experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Psychoflakes, for giving us such a great opportunity. Thank you so much.
I'm humbled by how much thought and effort the entire team of Psychoflakes put into the training program, and I think that speaks to the ethic of knowledge and well-being that Psychoflakes built for itself.
Thank you, Psychoflakes, for this opportunity.
I feel grateful to be a part of their journey. Overall, I had a lovely and fun experience.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are already healing a lot of people. Thank you.